Adacta is the leading insurance software provider. With their platform AdInsure, they can address the key challenges that insurers face these days. They can improve operational agility, increase the speed to the market, automate and digitize insurance processes, innovate with new products and improve customer experience. Today, they will focus on data-based innovation in insurance, from product design to underwriting and claims. They will talk about car insurance and how to implement Tesla-like insurance models. Next on stage, Adacta.
Hi, my name is Alexander, and together with Boriana, hereby we represent Adacta. Adacta is one of the leading insurance software companies and creator of the AdInsure, the platform which powers your insurance businesses across all of the key processes, from sales to claims and accounting, in all of the distribution and partner channels, in all of the commercial and retail business lines, including life, non-life, and health. So we're pretty cool, huh? Yet on the very same time, here in the insurtech conference, core systems could be a little bit of boring. You see, year after year, on this very stage, we see many great insurtechs. We see great innovator ideas which are tackling absolutely different aspects of your current life anywhere. But in order to leverage all of these opportunities, you have to embed it across the whole value chain of the insurance organization. And let's be honest with ourselves, absolute most of the existing core solutions are coming from decades ago. They're just not able to be flexible and to include all of these shiny precious stones. So you're struggling with it. They're struggling with the fact that they need to adjust to the constantly changing regulation, legislation needs, or these small business requests you're having on a daily basis. So in the end, after seeing all of these great ideas, you're coming home, bringing one or two, but struggling to do more. But the times are changing. Actually, imagine a world where all of your data operations will be effectively covered by the single platform, no matter how complex would it be. Imagine the platform where you would be able to react on any calls tomorrow brings. New partners, new distribution channels, new products, new planets, maybe. Imagine the platform which will allow you to become fully self-sustainable and get control on any changes or any technologies you want to include. Sounds nice, huh? And that's exactly what AdInsure is about, and that's why the companies love it. AdInsure is constantly recognized in Gartner Magic Quadrant and was recently awarded as the most advanced technology as proven by Celent. We were able to prove it to many clients, and we became friends to them. And we're here and we're coming to you. We take great pride in our work, but we're mostly here to serve you, to make your lives easier. So let us, just in a few minutes' time, try to show you how easy could it be with a proper solution like AdInsure to take a completely new idea and tackle it and include it in all of the processes across the whole value chain of the insurance organization. So, Boriana, the stage is yours.
Hi, everyone, and welcome to AdInsure. Our mission is that every single individual who is involved in daily insurance activities works in our system, and not only works, but feels satisfaction. That's why we automate and support all insurance-related processes, starting from sales and underwriting, through policy administration, claims, down to billing and accounting. And of course, there is much more. We won't have enough even to mention all modules and functionalities that we support. But let's start with something that we all know very well, casco insurance. Nowadays, it's very difficult to compete on the market and to be efficient without having innovative ideas and insurtech solutions embedded in your process. That's why this is our standard casco quote. And now, with the usage of our configuration tool AdInsure Studio, we are going to see how you can enrich your product and bring it to the next level. Let's see how easy and simple it is actually to enrich the product using augmented data from an external API. For this example, we are going to use data from a telematics system giving information about the driver history. With the newly retrieved attributes, we can modify our products in multiple levels. We can personalize the premium calculation. we can automate the underwriting. We can augment the claims processes. Once we receive the new attributes, of course, we want to display them on the UI. You remember our standard Casco quote with the driver Vincent van Gogh? This is how we are going to modify it in our UI editor in AdInsure Studio. I'm just going to drag and drop a new element from our platform library with elements, and I'm going to fill it with a pre-configured component containing the attributes which we retrieved from the external API. And now I'm going to name our new tab Driver 360 View. Simple as that. I'll just save it. The second modifications that we are going to do will be in our workflow editor. Since we received new attributes, of course, we can use them to automate our business process. And again, I will simply drag and drop a new step into our existing process and name it Driver Underwriting. Simple as that. And I'm going to link it to the existing process. The third modification that we are going to do is related to the premium calculation. This is our premium DMN diagram. On the right side, you see the input parameters for the premium calculation. And again, I can just drag and drop our attributes which we received from the telematics system and link them to the final premium calculation. But that's not all. In the meantime, our platform has regenerated the AdInsure API using all configuration changes that we just did. Let's take a look how our quote changed after our modifications. So this is before the changes, and that's how it looks after the changes. Here we see our new tab, Driver 360 View. These are the attributes which we retrieved from the telematics system. And on the right side, we see the newly calculated premium. As you can see, apparently our driver, Vincent van Gogh, is a very careful driver because we calculated a discount for him. You can be sure that with such attitude, he's going to choose your insurance company. Alex.
So we were able to prove you how easy could it be with AdInsure just to take the small, nice idea and tackle it and use it inside of your process. But there are many more, as AdInsure effectively covers all of the key insurance processes, from sales to claims, from accounting to billing, from reinsurance to commissions. Any single step of any single process could be adjusted to include the new tech, new ideas, new flows, and this could be done by you now. So question yourself, are your existing legacy systems capable of doing so? Is it really helping you? So we just created a small game which will help you and which will question you. Are you really ready for the future? And if you're really innovative, scan it now or find it later at our booth. It just takes a few minutes, so take your time. As Boriana and myself are coming from IT, there is the common saying, and I'm pretty sure everyone knows it. If it works, don't change it. But I question, if it's really serving us well, if it's really helping us, in order to make the huge leap in business and to the future, you have to have the solid ground which will base on. You have to have the platform which will help you on your daily basis. You need to have the solid core in the middle of your operations, like AdInsure from Adacta. Thank you.